I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll apply L'Hopital's rule to find limit of indeterminate form. The question here is, find limit when x approaches 0 for 7 to the power of x minus 5 to the power of x divided by x. Now whenever you want to apply L'Hopital's rule, you should first check if it is in indeterminate form or not, right? So let's substitute 0. What do we get? We get 7 to the power of 0 minus 5 to the power of 0 in the numerator. Denominator is 0, right? Now anything to the power of 0 is 1, so we have 1 minus 1 over 0, and that is 0 over 0. So 0 over 0 is indeterminate form, and therefore we can apply L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital rule basically is that the limit of whenever you're approaching a, let's say anything a, of f of x over g of x is equal to the limit of the quotient of these functions as x approaches a, same as quotient of their derivatives, right? We do have a proof for this also. You can look into proof. I'll provide you a link with this. So that is what the rule is. In our case, we'll most of the time go straight, or sometimes we'll write h to indicate that we are performing L'Hopital's rule. Okay, so let's begin. We have already seen that this is 0 over 0 form, which is indeterminate, and therefore we can say limit x approaches 0 for 7 to the power of x minus 5 to the power of x over x is equal to limit x approaches 0 for derivative of these. That means d dx of the numerator. Remember, we don't have to apply the quotient rule, okay? They have to be derivative of each separately. d dx of x, right? That's what it is. Now, derivative of 7 to the power of x is what? You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. So I think you recall logarithmic derivatives, and there you'll find the formula for this also. Derivative of 7 to the power of x is 7 to the power of x ln 7. 5 to the power of x is 5 to the power of x ln 5, and derivative of x is 1. So this is what we get. Now we can simplify this. So we have limit x approaches 0. I'll just rewrite without this 1, and then we'll substitute 0 here, right? So we have 7 to the power of x ln 7 minus 5 to the power of x ln 5, right? If I substitute 0 now here, what do I get? I get 7 to the power of 0 ln 7 minus 5 to the power of 0 ln 5. Now that is equal to 7 to the power of 0 is 1, so we get ln 7 minus ln 5, which could be written as ln 7 over 5, right? So the limit of this function is ln 7 over 5, and that is how you can find the limit using L'Hopital's rule. I hope it is straightforward. Thank you and all the best.